Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can view your hidden files in Windows 11. So friend, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a very advanced method to view your hidden files in Windows 11. So let's jump into computer and check it out how we can do that. So friend, here you can see this is my folder and here my files are hidden. But one tips I'm going to show you: whenever you see this folder, you can see over here some files are available, but now we can show you. So friend, here you can see that some files are available in this folder, some images, but when I click over here, then that file is not showing. So by this way, which I'm going to share with you guys, so you will get to learn how we can view hidden files. So here, this is, you can see my folder explorer page is open now, and we are going to click on this three dot icon which is available on the top, so you will get the idea about it. So this is the three dot icon which is available on the top. So what you will do, simply click on this three dot icon and then click on this properties. So when you click over here on the properties, then you can see some options are available, like read only applications, like that. You can simply uncheck over here and click, right click, and then apply. So friend, here you can see this three dot icon. You can simply click on that, then you will get more options. So right now we are going to click on that three dot icon, and now you can see these options. You simply click on these options, and friend, here you will get folder options. Okay, this is the folder options view, and now you can see many options are available. And now we are going to click on this view tab which is available here. So click on this view tab, so you will get more options. And now you can see this option, this one, you simply click on that. So now we are going to click on this option which is showing show hidden files, folders and drives. You simply click on this option and then click apply button and then click. So friend, now you can see that my all hidden files now I can view. Okay, and if you want to remove this hidden option, then what you will do, simply select all the files and then right click on that and simply click on this show more option. Then, and whenever you click on this properties, you simply uncheck this hidden option and then click on apply and then click on OK. So your all files are in normal way converted. Okay, so your hidden files is now all are showing over here. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can view your hidden files and remove from the hidden files option. So friend, I hope you learned something new. If you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things, how to view hidden files. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. And friend, what things you like into this video, please comment me below, so that will motivate me to make more videos like this. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.